Baltimore Underground Science Space, or BUGS, is a community science lab. We've had a long partnership with Open Insulin, helping with some of the lab work that's required to produce insulin. Insulin is the hormone that controls your blood sugar. The modern production of insulin is mostly using microbes. And so we can grow microbes that are genetically engineered to produce insulin and excrete it into their medium. And then we can purify that medium and get the insulin out. So a vial of insulin costs to make typically $1 to $10. For the consumer, they can pay up to like $300 or more. So we're helping communities like Maryland produce accessible insulin using decentralized production. So there's less of what's happening now with insulin and high prices.